I got hit in the face with a bug. Right in the cheek. It was horrible. Sean here from Srkcycles.com. We have a pretty rare bike, actually. It's a 1992 Harley-Davidson Daytona Glide. It was made specifically for 1 year, just for the to celebrate the motorcycle Daytona 200. It's a beautiful bike. Check out the walk-around video we did for it. It's a really, really, really cool-looking bike. It's a collector's piece, and you know the most impressive thing about it is how good it runs. Watch this. Alright, so we got a cold start. Turn the key. Cold start. Crack throttle twice. Bam! Choke is out. You give it a minute. I'm going to push the choke back in. Maybe even less than that. And this thing will be idling perfect. Actually, it's pretty warm. I might push it in like 10 seconds. Guys, let's start the day the way we should. Let's get some words of wisdom. Philippians 4:4. Rejoice in the Lord always. And again, I say rejoice. Amen. Let's push that choke in and see how it goes. Yeah, we're good. So this is what it feels. So these are, they call these Buckhorn Handlebars. And I'm not gonna lie. I got hit in the face with a bug. Right in the cheek. It was horrible. Alright guys. Buckhorn Handlebars. They are incredibly... Oh, are you stopping? Is this happening? What's going on here? Oh, are we turning? Alright. You should turn signal, school bus. Oh, okay, I see what's going on. They were waiting for me. She was okay. She was being cool. I should not have yelled at her. Look at it. It's idling perfect. They call these... What do I call them? Buck something. Buckhorn. Buckhorn handlebars. And they look a little goofy. But when you ride them, like this is how your hands are just gonna fall. This is how your hands naturally fall, and they are very comfortable. Guys, did I mention that this bike has 3,500 miles? 3,504. 3,500 miles. 92. That makes it like 26 some years old or something. It's incredible. The thing runs super good. The paint on this bike is perfect. So this is what it feels like to be a guy riding almost a brand new Harley in 1992. I mean, the bike runs perfectly. This is the Evo motor. This is the one that everybody loved for a long time. I'm sneaking in. And it's got that Harley rumble that people love, but it's not excessive. It's not like vibrating itself apart. I mean, I really can't tell that much of a difference between this and like an 88. Hey, little fellas. It's super comfortable. I could definitely see me rolling on something like this. That guy's got a boulevard. Everybody's out, guys. It is a beautiful day outside. It's what day is today? February 19th or 20th, and it's like 70 degrees. I'll be doing test drives all day long, just thanking God for every moment I'm out here on the road. Every moment I'm alive. It is beautiful outside. And I get to ride this beautiful motorcycle. I get to borrow this beautiful motorcycle from the previous owner. No, from the next owner. Not previous, from the next owner. I'm gonna get on this thing a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm gonna go straight. I'm gonna right up that hill. I'm just gonna show you guys what an old Harley-Davidson Dynaglide. This thing's older than you. It's not pulling your arms off, but it's got great power. It's got good power. It's fun to ride. It's definitely comfortable. They switched out the mid-range controls with some forward controls. You see they got a... You see that going on right there? It's like a floorboard. It's like a peg floorboard thing. Definitely, it makes you want to relax. I could definitely relax when I'm rocking these. Yeah, I'm not kidding. These Buckhorn Handlebars, they're gonna come back. Starting with this motorcycle right here, they're bringing back the Buckhorn Handlebars. It's gonna be amazing. We're all gonna be riding. We're not gonna be getting carpal tunnel. You can't get carpal tunnel riding this bike because it's not like. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me stop. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Look at it. This is like a handshake. This is how your hand just normally is. It's not like this or like this or like this or drag bars. You know what I mean? This is just how. If God designed handlebars for mankind, he'd have done it like this, because he'd be like, well, that's how I made man's wrist to be like this. So yeah, they're goofy looking, but it's growing on me, and I am liking that sound. Guys, we have this. I'm sitting on the stock seat. It wasn't on the bike when I got it, but the guy had the stock seat somewhere, so he dug it out for me. I'm sitting on the stock seat. These are aftermarket. I think they're Screaming Eagle 2 pipes. I don't know. These are aftermarket pipes, and this bike is jetted for it. That's why it's not doing like brah, 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 every time I shift. It's jetted for it. This thing is tuned very, 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 very well. So we have the stock pipes. If you put the stock pipes back on, you have to re-jet it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. Let's do it. Let's do this. Come on. Oh, man. Now I know I got enough metal. I got enough metal in here to trip these magnets down underneath there. You know, a lot of people think that, like, it's a scale that actually tells the thing there's cars here. It's not a scale. A scale has to move. Asphalt really doesn't move. It's actually like a magnet that if you have enough, I forget what the word is. If you have enough metal that a magnet can stick to, then you'll get it. Now this is probably about 700, maybe 800 pounds of American muscle. No, American iron, American pony. And I'm pretty sure this can trip that thing. A beautiful day with a beautiful bike. Guys, the suspension feels good. I actually prepared myself. I prepared my spine to hit that little pothole, and it just bloop bloop. Like butter. Guys, if this is not the American dream, look at this. Look at this. If this is not the American dream, riding a motorcycle during the day, and this could be your motorcycle, through a beautiful neighborhood, just living it up, guys. This is man, if you're not riding, get out there right now. It's so nice outside. But you know what, maybe when you're watching it, it's not nice outside. I don't know. I'm doing a lot of stopping today. So this is it is a numbered bike. You can see it's 117 of 1700. I don't know if the if different numbers in the series are worth more or less. I think generally it's just maybe number one. Maybe number one is like super cool, or the low numbers. I don't know. Maybe the old numbers are cool. I do know that this has a lot of things going for it. in terms of it being a collector's bike. One, the miles are ridiculously low. Two, the paint and the body is perfecto. Perfect. It's amazing. It's so good. Even when you take the seat off, normally there's like scuffs and rubs and dust. It looks amazing. It's got a clean title. It runs good. The only thing it doesn't have going for it is there's a few aftermarket parts on it. You know, derby covers and the forward pegs, although which they're awesome. But there's also, if you look on the front, the guy who had it originally, he got a couple things customized. So he got the calipers chromed, he got the lower forks chromed, got some other stuff, and some of those things, you know, you can see a little bit of oxidation on it, or like on top of the transmission cover, a little bit of oxidation, top of rocker boxes, a little bit of oxidation. What's nice is those are things that you can fix. I would rather have that than have a bike where all the chrome was perfect but it had a dent in the tank, or it had like paint flaws, because you can't I mean, if you want to go buy like a perfect painted tank like this, it costs you $5,000 bucks. I don't know, maybe something, I don't know, something crazy. Why would someone do it? Why would someone part out their bike that was perfect? So the painted things are the most valuable, and you really can't fix that. But no one cares if you re-chromed a derby cover. Is it derby or derby? I forget. Guys, this is an awesome bike. It's not going to last very long. Check out the website, Srkcycles. Check out the description link below, where you can support companies that support us. And we also doing a motorcycle, a Harley-Davidson Dyna giveaway. Get in on that, guys. If you're not in on it, get in on it. All right, the link is below. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, and thanks for watching the video. Click here to subscribe. Click here to see more content. And as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going.